Hello and welcome to this video on how to develop a strong presence. Whether you're in business, public speaking, or simply looking to improve your personal life, having a strong presence can make a world of difference. So, in this video, we'll be discussing a few tips and tricks to help you develop a strong presence. Tip number 1. Know your audience. One of the most important aspects of developing a strong presence is knowing your audience. Whether you're giving a speech, attending a meeting, or simply having a conversation, understanding the people you're interacting with can help you tailor your approach and create a strong connection. Tip number 2. Practice confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to developing a strong presence. Even if you don't feel confident on the inside, projecting confidence on the outside can go a long way. Practice standing tall, making eye contact, and speaking clearly and confidently. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Tip number 3. Be authentic. Another important aspect of developing a strong presence is being authentic. People can often sense when someone is being fake or insincere, so it's important to be yourself and let your true personality shine through. This will not only help you connect with others, but also make you feel more comfortable and confident in your interactions. Tip number 4. Listen and respond. Developing a strong presence isn't just about talking, it's also about listening. Pay attention to what others are saying and respond thoughtfully. This will show that you value their input and can help you build strong relationships. Tip number 5. Continuously improve. Finally, developing a strong presence is an ongoing process. Keep practicing, seeking feedback, and learning from your experiences. The more you work on developing your presence, the stronger it will become. In conclusion, developing a strong presence is an important skill that can help you in many areas of life. By knowing your audience, practicing confidence, being authentic, listening and responding, and continuously improving, you can develop a strong presence that will help you achieve your goals and connect with others. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found these tips helpful.